Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In this video today I'll be showing you how to schedule an email on Outlook. Now remember that you want to have your Microsoft Outlook account already set up, and to achieve that you just head over to your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser of your choice and type in Microsoft Outlook. It will navigate you to a page that looks like this. Click on any of the three first links over here and it will take you through the process of getting yourself properly signed in if you do already have an account, or you can just click on create a free account to create your account. Now remember that Microsoft Outlook provides you a variety of options to pick for your Microsoft Outlook plan. You can decide to create a free account like I already mentioned, or you can decide to get the basic, personal or family sized plan. Now, having done all of that, it will navigate you to the next page that is your home page for your Microsoft Outlook, and it looks like this. Having gotten here, we'll quickly show you how to schedule an email on Microsoft Outlook. First, you want to head over to your file option, all right, where you have your email, and then when you click on this, it will give you the option to create a new email. All right, so quickly click on new email and it will navigate you to the path where you can create your email. Now insert the email address to which you're sending this mail to, and having done that, just do also fill in the necessary information, and when you're done, type in the mail you want to send. Having done that, now to show you how to schedule an email on Outlook, head over to the send button, which is at the top over here. Just click on this drop down menu icon. When you do that, you see the option to schedule send. So when I click on that, I would have chosen that, so I'll just quickly edit my time and date for when I want to send this particular mail. When I've done all of that, I'll just click on send and my mail will be scheduled to be sent at that particular time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to schedule an email on Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, bye for now.